Whoa, shit. This is no joke. This is no joke. What's going on, people? As you can see, I'm trying to endure this cold, icy weather. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that over the last couple of weeks, for me mentally, it's been extra tough. And even if you're following this channel, you would have heard me say it in previous videos. Oh, it's nice to know that there's no ice here. But yeah, recently it's been tough. And this video is just kind of for me, no pressure, just going out. I'm actually gonna go and meet a friend who was courteous enough to check up on me and just see how I was doing, making sure that I wasn't too low mentally, which I'm not, I'm good, but it's nice to have someone to check out for you. In the meantime, of course, you know, the Tamron 70-180, the A7R4 is my go-to at the moment. And over the last couple of days, I just didn't, whilst it was snowing, I didn't bother going out and taking any photos. So sometimes going out and shooting isn't just about going out to go and find something, but it's also quite therapeutic, or can be quite therapeutic. So that's the aim of the game for me today. This walk is very similar to the one that I went on before in the last street photography video. As I mentioned, no pressure, just going out and shooting. I actually need to format my memory cards. I'll do that quickly. See this ice right here? So easy to slide. I can't even see because of the light, but hey. I love that last shot. I wish I composed it better. Sorry, I don't mean to intrude. I got a really nice shot of you both looking out into the sun. Oh. If you don't mind me of taking it.
Don't mind at all?
No, don't mind at all. No, I should be mine.
Thank you.
All right.
To me, this is such a weird sight, seeing these boats in snow. All the years I've been here, I've not actually seen it like this, if I'm honest. So weird. Better check on Jake. Maybe he thinks I'm, oh yeah, I'm 2 minutes late, my bad. Some of the snow is still fresh. Huh? I know, it's strange, isn't it? It's and I've not seen the boats like this because we've not had snow in in a couple of years.
The icicles hang on.
There's a boat further along where it's hanging right off the bow, and it's probably about that deep. Lovely afternoon in the sun.
That's it. Sun's out. You too. Take care. Not to say that people aren't nice, but I love it when things bring people together and you have common interest. It's always nice when that happens, I guess. Excuse me, could you jump over there so I can take a photo? How's
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yeah, that was a good catch up. Nice to have a little bit of normality. I know some people might not agree with it completely, but hey, you can't just sit here and go crazy, in my opinion. As long as you're social distancing, you're not getting close. As you can probably hear, I'm still wearing my mask. That's all that matters. If I'm honest, there's not a lot of people out, obviously because of the weather. Oh, I missed him. Walking through the sunlight. If I'm honest, this is all quite boring to me. I mean, snow's nice and all, and I probably should have caught a lot more when it was freshly snowing and people were walking, because then I feel like, you know, you can get those snow fights, you can get those interactions with people. I wonder what she's looking at. Actually, I will walk closer. Let's see. Oh my god, this is so slippery. Oh my god. Don't worry. Yeah, cover it, it's fine. He's salting the path so no one drops in the water. Can't actually see what I'm doing here.
Photography weather.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, a couple. I was doing it just to get out of the house. This is the gentleman who was just
Oh right, he
putting
implied,
some salt over. It was just nice candid shots.
Yeah, that's what you need, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lighting's so good as well, isn't it?
The snow's like a big reflector,
Yeah.
so it bounces a lot of light around, which is nice.
That's what you need.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Take care.
That's one of those things.
Manually focusing because of the rails. It's quite difficult. If I'm honest, not the most interesting shot. Time for me to go home. It'd be great if I had a nice wide lens at the moment, but I don't. What I can try and do though, let's manually focus. Oh, actually, let's try out a panorama. Oh shit. Yeah, this camera doesn't have a pano mode by the looks of it. Manual. Alright, let's just try and stitch them when we get back home then. Up here. Down here. Right here. And hope that will be enough. So guys, that's pretty much the end of my walk. Shoot, there was nothing new, nothing really that different apart from the weather. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.